What was behind the $3 million apecoin transaction that happened recently, guys? Find out in today's episode. What's up, guys? Welcome back to your daily source of news on all things crypto, and make sure you stay till the end for my apecoin price prediction. In today's news, we have apecoin going green for the past 24 hours, having a sudden spike in value just around 12 hours ago that hit a peak at 14.45, then suddenly dropping off in value, and currently we're sitting at 13.38, up 1.27%. So for the past 7 days, as we can see, it's been all green for apecoin, but it's been seeing a downward trend in value that it looks like is starting to recover from. So what was happening actually with the $3 million transaction that transpired recently? So the ape transaction of $3 million that went viral, what's behind it? So there was a lot of excitement in the crypto community as many anticipated and waited for the launching of apecoin. The coin was launched by the Bored Ape Yacht Club and recorded massive growth once it was listed on many top exchanges. The event took place on March 17th, and many BAYC NFT holders received the coin in an airdrop that took place. While the transactions were taking place, one of the bots sold 2.4 ape, that is $2.7 million in Ethereum. This particular transaction caught the attention of many traders and went viral. But was that real, or what happened in that transaction? So ape transaction details. According to an expert explaining the viral transaction, the incident was what is known as an attack, a sandwich attack. This attack is sometimes possible due to the way some swapping protocols such as SushiSwap and Uniswap operate. So, for instance, a transaction sent to the Ethereum network doesn't get an instant execution, or will it be added to a block instantly, but first it will enter a mempool and stay for some time until a miner picks it. The way miners choose the transactions to add to a block is dependent on gas fees. If the owner pays a high gas fee, the miners will prioritize such a transaction. One other factor is that setting slippage on a decentralized exchange where coins are swapped, such as Uniswap, means that you will be ready to pay higher gas fees after the execution of your transaction. Now, as a result of all these factors, MEV bots come up to check the more profitable transactions. So these bots will then increase the transaction price based on the amount that the owner is willing to pay after execution. They'll then sandwich the initial transaction between two other transactions engaged in a swap. So this situation occurred in the ape transaction. Someone wanted to swap 1.5 Ethereum for the newly launched ape tokens, but a bot then sent two other transactions before and after the main one. This transpired as the first transaction used 4.13 Ethereum to buy ape, and the original transaction followed suit, facing slippage. Afterward, the last transaction sold the new coins for 4.45 Ethereum and made some gains in the block. So while many were going crazy about the transactions, the expert explained that it simply was a sandwich attack carried out by value bots. So pretty surprising that nothing of note was actually happening here. But as we know, the past week for apecoin was going pretty crazy. So this is the first time we're getting some pretty tame news. If you didn't know, Snoop Dogg and Wiz Khalifa are on top of the apecoin and ape NFT hype train. They've been making their own NFTs, and many other celebrities follow suit. Also, so many crypto whales have invested in this coin that I think it's bound to skyrocket in the near future, guys. So that's it for today's news, guys. Come back tomorrow.